Most people think hospital claims revenue is a billing or finance issue, but that belief is incomplete. Hindi lang ito trabaho ng billing, hindi rin lang ito trabaho ng finance. The truth is, claim success starts much earlier at the bedside. And very often, it starts with nurses. From the moment a patient is admitted, nurses already influence whether a claim will be approved, delayed, or denied. Every assessment, every note, and every timing decision contributes to the clinical story of the patient. Kung mali o kulang ang simula, mahihirapan na ang buong proseso. So if we want to protect hospital revenue, we need to look beyond billing and start recognizing the critical role of nurses in claim success. Nurses influence claims outcomes in more ways than most people realize. It begins with accurate admission assessment. This sets the foundation of the entire claim. Next is timely and consistent nursing documentation. What nurses document, how clearly they document it, and when they document it directly affects what billers and coders can submit. Nurses also support proper charge capture. If nursing interventions, monitoring, or services are not reflected clearly in the chart, revenue is silently lost. During confinement, continuous patient monitoring by nurses provides the clinical evidence that supports severity, complexity, and length of stay. Simply put, nursing documentation shapes what the hospital can legally and successfully claim. Here's the important part. Most claims problems are not caused by fraud or lack of effort. Madalas, ang problema ay simple lang. Delay, incomplete notes, or inconsistency. Small nursing actions make a big difference. Documenting on time, completing required entries, ensuring consistency across shifts. These actions help prevent claims rejection, claims return, and claims denial. Hindi ito dagdag trabaho. It's about awareness and alignment. When nursing workflows align with claims requirements, hospitals avoid unnecessary revenue loss and long payment delays. Small actions done consistently protect millions in revenue. Nurses are not just caregivers, they are frontline revenue protectors of the hospital. When nurses, doctors, billers, and management work as one team, everyone benefits. Mas maayos ang cash flow, mas konti ang claims problems, at mas maayos ang patient care. Empowering nurses with claims awareness is not just a finance strategy, it's a hospital-wide strategy. In the next video, we'll talk about another key player in claims success, the doctors. Check out the next video to understand the critical role of doctors in protecting hospital claims revenue.